Welcome you student. Today we will discuss exercise 1.4 from NCERT. So let's start our class. Our today's question is visualize 3.765 on a number line using successive magnification. Means what? We have to magnify that numbers on a number line. So suppose first you see our number is 3.765. Suppose we have a number, this is our number line, and we have plot some values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, same as -1, -2, -3 and -4. You see the number 3.765, that number lies between what? 3 to 4. That 3.765 number lies between 3 to 4. So what we do, just we have to visualize or magnify. Magnified means just we have to magnify it. Right here. This number is 3 and this number you have to 4 and you have to divide in 10 parts. What we write first 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9 and 4. 3.4. Now see, suppose next what we do, this 3.7. Now see 3.7 lies between what? These numbers 3.765 lies between 3.7 to 3.8. Just you have to check and succeed one by one. First we visualize 3 lies between 3 to 4 right here. Next we have to visualize or magnify 3.7. 3.765 lies between what? 3.7 to 3.8. Again this we have to magnify it just in same way. Again plot the line and this line you have to divide in 10 parts. Suppose you have to write here 3.7 and last one is 3.8 right here. Now 3.7, so first we write what? 3.71, 3.72, 3.73, 3.74. Again we have to divide in 10 parts. 3.75, 3.76, 3.77, 3.78 and 3.79. Last one is our 3.8. Now see, we get 3 and 7, 3 and 7. And next what we have to find? 3.76. See, 3.76 is like between 3.76 and 3.77. Again we have to visualize it or magnify it. Just again we have to plot on that number line. Here all of you write here 7.6 and last number is 3.77. Now plot it. So this becomes, again you have to divide in 10 parts. 3.761, 3.762, 3.763, 3.764, 3.765, 3.766, 3.767, 3.768, 3.769. Now you check, our number is 3.765. 3.765s are magnified on that point. This is our successive magnification. In successive magnification, what we do, just we have to magnify our number one by one. First we magnify 3 lies between 3 to 4 right here. Next again we have to magnify 3.7 lies between 3.7 to 3.8. Now again we have to magnify 3.76. So 3.76 lies between 3.7 to 3.78. Just magnifies it. Again we have to divide in 10 parts. Now lastly we have to magnify 3.765. So suppose you have to divide in 10 parts and this 3.76 and 5 are magnified here. Just here you have to write 3.765. I hope this one is clear to you. Next we discuss NCERT exercise 1.5. This is question number. This is the questions. Represent root under 9.3 on the line. This we have to represent. See what we do. First we have to check what is the measurement is given. Here measurement is 9.3. First we have to plot a line segment of 9.3. This is our 9.3. Clear? And this point is represent A. Now next what we do, and this point is represent O. And next what we do, we have to take an 1 centimeter of measurement and take 1 part, 2 part, 3 part and 4 part. This will be represent 1, 2, 3, 4. First what we do, just we have to make a line segment of 9.3 centimeter and just we have to proceed 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter successively, and this will be represented by 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? Next what we do, we have to draw a perpendicular bisector. How we draw? Mark the needle at 1 and mark the needle at 1 and take more than half. Mark the needle at 1 and take more than half. Take more than half and 1 cut here. Now mark the needle at A, 1 cut here. Now again and again this one, and this one is represented and matched by dotted line. How we plot this line? Mark the needle at 1, take 1 centimeter more and take more than half and 1 cut above, 1 cut below. Same as mark needle at A, 1 cut above, 1 cut below and match it with a dotted line. Those line which intersect at that point, mark the needle at that point and A, and we have to draw a semicircle like that. How? Mark the needle at that point and this will be a radius and we have to draw a semicircle like that. Now next what we do, we have to draw a perpendicular or 90 degree at O. Just we have to make it line this one, you have to make a 90 degree angle. This is 60, this is 120 and this is our 90. How? Mark the needle at O and we have to make a 90 degree angle. Clear? Now the line which intersect at that semicircle, the point is our B. Now next what we do, we have to match with this B. Clear? Now this will be our root under 9.3. Next what we do, just we have to take a measurement at radius and draw the line like that. Mark the needle at O and take a measurement at OB and draw an arc like that. This is our root under 9.3. How we proceed whole things, I repeat once again. First what we do, we have to take a measurement of 9.3 centimeter and we have to proceed 1 centimeter apart from successively 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Next what we do, mark the needle at 1 and take more than half and we have to draw a perpendicular bisector and match it with a dotted line. Those perpendicular bisector intersect at that line, take as a radius and draw a semicircle. Next what we do, we have to make a 90 degree angle at O. This 90 degree angle intersect the semicircle at that point is represented by B and we have to match with that straight line. And next taken OB as radius and draw an OB as radius and draw a semi arc. This will be our 9.3. I hope this one is clear to you. Now take another question. Now take another question. This question is simplify 3 plus root 3 and 2 plus root 2. See how we solve this one. Just you have to break the bracket and multiply it. 3 multiplied 2 it becomes 6. Now next 3 multiply root 2 it becomes 3 root 2 plus now root 3 multiplied 2 becomes 2 root 3 and last one root 3 multiplied root 2 becomes root 6. This is our answer. Simply clear. And here we have to some concept is suppose root of same number, suppose root a multiply root a it becomes a, and suppose we have root a and another number root b multiplied it becomes root under ab. Clear? I hope this one is clear to you. Please watch the video properly. Thank you.